Welcome, AP Economics students. Hope that you are doing well. This is Ms. Foley, and today we are doing AP College Board exam review. It is day 2. For block 2, if you're doing this, it's going to be Friday the 24th. For block 7, this is going to be on Monday the 27th. So our topics today are Unit 2 and Unit 3. Unit 2 is the measurement of economic performance, GDP, unemployment rate, inflation rate, and the national income is essentially the fiscal policy chapter. So I'm going to cover both of those today. In terms of your assignments, we're going to access the review day 2 page. I'm going to show that to you. And while there, you're going to watch my review on measurement of economic performance and national income, and you're going to complete the quiz, for your assessment for today. By the way, Hudson is having a meltdown in the background. So if you hear somebody screaming, it's just what happens every day with a toddler. So if we take a look here, this is our day 2 review. So a couple of things. When you open up this Google document, if you click on this link, this is my instruction where I go over all the important stuff from day 2 and all the important stuff for day 3. So I highly recommend watching this video, and then you are going to go onto Google Classroom and you are required to complete the day 2 quiz. It's in classwork. When I take a look at the quizzes from last class, just people did pretty well. One of the big questions was this comparative advantage versus absolute advantage. Remember, comparative advantage means that you can make something for a lower opportunity cost. Absolute advantage means you can make more of something with the same resources. When you take a look at terms of trade, how do you know somebody is going to trade or what they're going to trade is really based on who has a comparative advantage. If you have a comparative advantage in making something, that's what you're going to make and you're going to trade with other people. Okay? So that's that idea. What I put, remember, in purple here, these are all optional. This is the review guide that if we were in school, you would be reading for homework. It does a really good job of like a Cliff Notes version of units 2 and 3, so you can go through and look at that. If you take a look at the homework practice packet, there are some lessons there. There's a sample free response question there that can help you. The Econ Academy does a nice job with fiscal policy and going over that, so I linked to that video there. And then Mr. Clifford, again, much better YouTuber than Miss Foley. He does some pretty comprehensive reviews on Unit 2 and Unit 3. So if you find that this is something that you really struggle with, then make sure that you are taking a look at some of those optional resources, okay? That's pretty much it. I hope that you have a great rest of your day, and make sure that you take a look at that instruction and that classwork. If you have any questions, I'm available all day. I am finalizing the marking period 3 grades. If you talk to any teacher from Morris Knowles right now, on the 20th, I actually had 288 emails. So I'm sorry if I'm a little bit behind on getting through the emails. I think a lot of kids just waited to the last minute and submitted, not really in AP economics. I had it more happen in US history and world history because, that's what happens with freshmen. So that's, that's why I'm just a little bit behind with emails where I would want to be, but that's kind of the update. Okay. So hope that you're well, hope that you're safe. Talk to you soon, and have a great day.